What's up guys, I am Xhorif. In today's tutorial, I will show you the exact process I use to remove noise from enemy voice line. So yeah, do you want this?
もう全員じゃねえ。向こうに入ったんでな。今は伏黒だ。もう全員じゃねえ。向こうに入ったんでな。今は伏黒だ。
Without wasting time, let's jump into the tutorial. So first, open any browser and go to this website. For community guidelines, I can't mention the name, so I will put the name in the description.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky.
So finally, that's it for today. Like, comment and share. For the next tutorial, you can also suggest what you all want to learn and how it will be helpful for you.